Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Notes Wali. In this video, we are going to see how to make the maths practical for class 11th. This is a usual look of a practical file. In the video, you have to keep in mind that I have displayed the text on first page and the picture along with it on the second page. The first practical is regarding the chapter number 1 in your textbook, which is sets, and we have to verify here that the total number of subsets for a given sets is equal to 2 raised to the power n, where n is the number of elements in the set. You can see how carefully the experiment is to be done and the circles are being drawn. The second activity is from the chapter number 2 of our textbook, which is relation and functions. We have to verify that for given two sets A and B having elements P and Q respectively, the number of elements in the Cartesian product is PQ and the total number of relations are 2 raised to the power PQ. The next activity belongs to the chapter complex number, in which we have to interpret the geometrical meaning of iota, which is under the root -1 and its integral powers. The next activity, which is activity number 4, is going to be more interesting, in which we have to construct a Pascal's triangle and also we have to write binomial expansion for expression having positive power. Hope you all have studied the formulas for sum of special series. And in this activity, we are going to find an alternative approach to find the formula for sum of squares of first and natural numbers, which is going to be a fun activity. You have to see that carefully. You can see we have made various colorful squares which are looking very beautiful. The next activity belongs to the chapter linear inequalities, in which we have to verify that the graph of a given inequality and its solution lies only in the half plane of the graph. You will require a graph paper to perform this activity. As we all know that arithmetic mean for two numbers is always greater than the geometric mean of that two numbers. So in this activity, we will be seeing that the geometric mean is always smaller than the arithmetic mean by pictorial method. The next activity is regarding the construction of an ellipse, which belongs to the chapter conic sections. The construction of ellipse is to be done through the two given fixed points, which are nothing but its foci. We all know that the probability deals with the possible outcomes and the total number of outcomes, and we also know that a coin always shows two outputs, that is head or a tail. So we are going to see how a single coin gives different outcomes when it is tossed multiple times and record its sample space. Now moving towards the end, the last activity is to record the sample space when a dice is rolled once and twice, because higher cases of rolling a die will result in very complex outcomes. So guys, we are done with this video and I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like and drop a comment in the comment box and subscribe the channel. Do share the video friends, and don't forget to watch the physics practical video, and wish you all the best.